Hey guys, welcome back. Got another video for you guys today. It's pretty rainy out there, but I still want you guys to make sure that you're moving, even if it's marching in place during the commercials or anything like that. I want you guys to make sure that you're still moving, staying active, even when the weather is crappy, because staying home, we got all kinds of excuses. All right, so all we need today is a chair. I'm going to be using my ball. If you do not have a ball, no problem. You don't need to use it at all. All right. I'll give modifications once we get there. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stand right behind my chair. This exercise is called rocking the boat. All right. So I'm going to hang right on here if I need that balance. And what I'm going to do is just lift one leg up to the side here, bring it down, and then out to the other side without kicking meadow. Good. So out to the side, down, back out to the other side. Good. And you really want to make sure that you're shifting your body weight to the other leg before you lift the other one up. Good. Let's do 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a really good one for walkers and runners, because typically when you're walking and running, you're really using your hip flexors in the front of your leg, not so much the sides of your leg. So this is going to be a really important one to help with the hips. Good. 10 more. 1, 2. And notice how I'm not doing this about speed. It's all about staying in control. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake those legs out. Give them a little bit of a break. You should feel right in your bum, right in your hips. Should be burning. All right. Next thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to move my chair like this so you can see the back of my legs. I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of going side to side, I'm going to be kicking it back. All right. So same thing. So kick back, back in, and then other leg. Good. And like I said, it's not about speed. It's about finding your control, finding your balance. And like I've mentioned before, notice how this knee has a slight bend in it. I'm not locking my knee. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Shake those legs out. Good. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my ball. I'm going to go ahead and take a seat. Now, I'm going to put my ball right between my knees and squeeze. If you do not have a ball, I suggest, rolling up a towel or a pillow or anything like that, just so that you can have a little bit of tension when you're squeezing your knees together. All right? So first thing, sit up nice and tall. Remember not to hold your breath. We're going to squeeze the knees together. 1. And we're going to do this 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember what I said about counting out loud? You want to make sure that your breathing during these exercises, counting out loud, will help you with that. 9, 10. Let's do 5 more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, we're going to hold it, squeeze it in there, hold it, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and relax. Now just kind of let my legs take a little bit of a break for this one. You should feel quite a bit of tightness in the inside of your thighs here. Just pushing your knees out like this will give you a nice big stretch. Just holding that for a little bit. Good. And I'm going to put the ball right back in here. Now again, if you do not have a ball, I suggest you use like a pillow, like a pretty sturdy pillow, blanket. You could even, put anything that's about this size right between your knees. All right? I'm going to put my hands just like this, and we're going to stand right up, and then go right back down. Good. 2. You want to make sure that when you're sitting down, you're not just plopping down, you want to stay in control the whole time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more now, 9, and 10. Good. Alrighty guys, all done with those. I'm just gonna walk over to the side. Now again, for this one, you wanna use the chair just for balance. What we're gonna do now is what's called a standing bird dog. So if the ball is in my left hand, I'm gonna put it on my left leg. My right arm here, I'm gonna reach up. When I reach up, this comes up as well. Right back down. 2, 3, 4. You want to make sure that when you're reaching up, you're keeping your core nice and tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, over to the other side now. Again, if it's in my right hand, put that ball right on that leg. If you do not have a ball, just go through the motions without it. All right? Lifting it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Alrighty guys, we are all done with the ball. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stand right behind my chair, and I'm gonna stand with one leg. I'm gonna kick one leg all the way back, as far back as I can go. I'm just gonna pull it like this so you guys can see me a little bit better. So just like this, what I'm gonna do, if my right leg is back, I'm gonna take my right arm, hang on with my left. I'm just gonna reach it up and over. You should feel a nice big stretch right throughout here. Good, now I want you to reach both arms up, just like this if you can. And we're gonna hold this here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk that right back in. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other leg. I'm gonna kick my left leg back, sitting up, hanging on with my right hand. And I'm gonna reach my left hand up and over. Again, big stretch right throughout here. Good. And now I'm gonna reach both arms up and hold this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and walk that all the way back in. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned, we're going to be coming out with lots more videos. So stay tuned, stay active, make sure you're moving even when the weather's crappy outside. Take care guys.